How to fix your Samsung laptop is not turning on and you're seeing a black screen. So if you're stuck on the black screen and you can't turn on your laptop, I'm going to show you two ways on how to solve this. So the first method is you can go and reset your graphics driver. Now to do this, you need to press down the following keys. Hold down the Control key, the Shift key, the Windows key, and then go and press the letter B. Once you've done this, you may hear a sound on your computer, the screen may flicker black, and it should now turn on. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. So just go and disconnect all of the cables going to your laptop. Make sure you also disconnect the power adapter as well. You'll then need to come over to the power button and you'll need to hold this down for 45 seconds. So even when the power is off, just continue to hold this button down, and after 45 seconds you can then release the button. Now plug your Samsung laptop back into the charging cable. You could then try turning on your laptop, and that should have now solved the black screen not turning on issue.